This is known as a UCCJEA. You fill this out if there's minor children involved. Okay, what I'll say here is that make sure that you present the name here the exact same way you did on the petition. So you're going to mark how many children you have. We'll just say 1 in this case. Well, let's say 2 because I want to show you something else. You're going to put the child's name, okay, last name first, first name last, middle initial, place of birth, okay, we'll just say Los Angeles. All you need is city and the state, date of birth, put that in here, your month and date, sex, male, female, etc. Okay, the residence, and this applies throughout every county in California. They want 5-year history of where the kids have lived. So you see the residence information must be given for the last 5 years. So you'll start at the most recent. So we'll say, 2020. We can even just say month and year is what the courts appear to like. To present, put in the current address. Here you're going to want to say Jane and John Smith. I mean, just say relationship parents. Okay. If it's one or the other, that's fine. What you would just do is say Jane Smith and then put mother. Okay. And then you do that until you've covered a 5-year history. The addresses, month and year, the next address, who lived with, and parents, mother, father, whatever the case might be. Multiple children. The nice thing is once you have the addresses in here, just add your second child, date of birth, place of birth, date of birth, male, female, and then you just have to mark this box here, and it basically says that the address has been the same. Now, we've been doing this 10 years. Most of this, I don't think we've ever had the children living at different addresses. And so that's pretty much it on this form. There is an additional, if there's additional children, because this only covers 2. I have that form pulled up. I'll go over that with you. The back of this form, there's a lot of boxes here. Again, maybe it's because we only handle amicable divorce cases, but we're never having to fill, maybe I have a handful of times had to fill this out. There's some other cases going on the court wants to be aware about related to the children. But in most cases, we're marking no and no, just like that. And this is asking, do you have information or have a participant as a party or a witness in some other capacity in another court case or custody visitation regarding the children in this proceeding? Again, that's why that's no. Is there any other person not a party to the proceeding who has claims to custody? So this is generally just no, no. So this may look like there's a lot of information here, but it really isn't. And then date, name, signature.